My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called RDP, and this ransomware is from the Chaos ransomware family. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the data, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover them. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So this ransomware appends the special encrypted extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the data. Then the ransomware reveals the ransom note titled as readit.txt. It basically tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to get rid of this ransomware with Combo Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the computer. So, Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button, and then the software will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So you need to wait until the antivirus database has been successfully accomplished. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Now, at the end of the scanning, you will see the generalized summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Some threats definitely can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. With premium license, by the way, you can use the anti-ransomware feature, which helps to remove the ransomware and to actually protect the data from further ransomware's attack. But premium license, of course, is subject for being paid for. But you can also request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.